Good morning. Today is Tuesday and I feel like crap. I got a zit. I don't get them very often. Pisses me off. Anyways, I feel like crap. It looks like it's gonna rain. Even though it's sunny, there's a humongous cloud right above us that looks like it's going to rain. I do not want to go out on the trailer today. I just wanted to stay home and stay in bed. But I got up, I did my reports, I had a shower, I still feel like crap. And then, of course, Chris got something in his eye yesterday in the shower, and it's still bugging him this morning. So I booked an appointment for him for this afternoon for the eye doctor, which means I gotta be at the restaurant this afternoon instead of laying in bed and feeling sorry for myself. I don't know why I feel like crap. I fasted yesterday. I made some cheese crackers yesterday, even though I wasn't eating. I made them like for meal prep this week. And yeah, and then I don't know, sometime in the afternoon, it just like, my stomach just kind of turned and So, needless to say, this morning, my ketones are blue ocean because there's extra ketones in the package. So hopefully that will help today. It does taste good, which is good. But yeah, so anyways, needless to say, I'm not excited about today. I hope it's busy, just to keep me busy, so that I'm not thinking about how crappy I feel. But yeah, so anyways, how was your day? I hope you're having a good one. And yeah, so today I think I'm just going to just do something really light and not overdo lunch and dinner. So I'm almost thinking either just meats or do just eggs today, just because I feel so crappy. So I haven't decided, but I will decide, and I will let you guys know, and I will be back when I have my lunch. Hey guys, so I am back in the car again, and it's 6 o'clock. Yay me. So I just grabbed a Gatorade Zero from the fridge at work, and I am drinking that right now because at the moment I'm not super hungry, but I am feeling like I need to drink something. So yeah, I am on my way to the stadium to drop off frozen food, which you can see back there, and hopefully it won't be too hard to get into. Okay, I'll go. I thought you had the right of way, but okay, sure, whichever. So, because the exhibition starts tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's tomorrow. So, yeah. So it should be fun. Loads of fun. But yeah, so I thought I would pop on and just show you guys that I was drinking that. I know it's not like food or anything, but it is kind of off plan. It's not, I don't know, Gatorade Zero, or not Gatorade, yeah, Gatorade Zero is different than Powerade Zero. So some people think it's not as good. Some people think the Powerade one is better. I personally don't like the taste of the Powerade one. It is way too sweet for me. I feel like they dumped a whole bottle of sweetener in the bottle. Unless I got a weird one, I don't know. But like the very first one that I ever drank, I had to cut it like in 4 and then make each of those like a full bottle of water plus the quarter of, okay, so the quarter of the Powerade, because it was a lot. It was a lot. So this one, though, I can drink it straight from the bottle, so it's not as sweet, which is nice. This area of town is so pretty. This is where I ride my trike, and you can't really see it because of the car, but it's a really pretty area of town. But anyways, I just thought I would pop on and let you know that I was drinking that. I'm still undecided about supper. I am going to be filming a video on a little appetizer that I saw that wasn't keto per se because of the ingredients that they made it with, but I'm gonna make my version in keto. So yeah, so I'm gonna film that. I also have another video, exciting collaboration going up, if it's not up already today. Yeah, so I hope you guys will enjoy that. And you're turning, that sucks. Yeah, so anyways, I will go because I have to phone security so that they know that I'm coming and that I don't know what you're waiting for, lady. There's no one else coming. Okay. So yeah, so I will have to go and call security so that they know that I'm coming, and I will see you all when I eat. Hey guys, so I'm just having a little bit of a snack. I'm not too hungry, so I didn't want to make a full meal, but I am having some turkey pepperonis, 5 of my cheese crackers that I made yesterday, and then some celery with cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning. So yeah, so that's all I'm going to have for now, and I'll be back when we have dinner.
That looks so good.
Hey guys, this is dinner. This is pretty much all I'm gonna eat. I don't even know if I'll be able to finish this. There is avocado, lettuce on the bottom, ground meat, just a cup of ground meat, some cheese, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and some tomatoes. And that's it. Super easy, super quick dinner. And I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my night. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great night.